I'm Maggie McDonald. I'm a musician from Montana, and I'm currently living in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I just became aware of the Soi Dog Foundation from my friend Shoshana Mitchell, and I was just appalled. I didn't know that these innocent creatures were being tortured, and that man's best friend, their loyalty is being repaid with cruelty, and they're being beaten and abused and killed, and it's just really heartbreaking. Yeah, it'd be nice to help make that stop. So for more information, check out the Soi Dog Foundation website. I'm going to play part of a song that I wrote. Alright, it's called Dark Night.